Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Professor Dr. Fakrul Anwar bin Zainul. We are Group 9 from class BIWM 6B, and it is an absolute honor and pleasure for us to present to you our strategic business plan. For our entrepreneurship project, we have chosen to analyze, upgrade and completely transform a very well-known local business in Terengganu. This business is known as QZA Freshwater Fish Farm, also known as Kolam Pancing Wakaf Pelam. Before we get started, let me introduce our group members first. Before we dive deep into the specific operational details and financial numbers of our plan, let us first understand the bigger picture of this industry. Fishing is not just a simple hobby or weekend activity for the local community here in the East Coast. It is actually a highly popular and rapidly growing sector within the local agro-tourism market. People from all walks of life, whether it is young children, corporate workers, senior citizens, they are constantly looking for safe, comfortable and beautiful outdoor spaces where they can relax with their families. Today, our group is very excited to introduce a game-changing business transformation program that we proudly call Project Aqua Growth, and we will show you exactly how we can turn a traditional recreational pond into a highly modern, sustainable and extremely profitable green technology enterprise. Every successful business plan must begin by identifying and understanding the real core problems that exist in the current business model. Even though Kolam Pancing Wakaf Pelam has a wonderful history, the current operations are facing three major challenges that are heavily damaging its growth and reducing its overall monthly profits. The first and the most dangerous problem is the extremely high supply cost of mature fish. Right now, the business is relying 100% on external outstation suppliers to deliver big and mature fish to the pond every single week. Because of the long distances, high transportation fees and the profit margins of these middle suppliers, it consumes over 180,000 ringgit Malaysia a year just to purchase fish. This is a massive amount of money leaving our cash flow every year, and it makes the business highly vulnerable to supplier price increases. The second major operational challenge involves the unusually high utility bills that the business has to pay every single month. In order to keep thousands of fish alive and healthy inside the recreational ponds, the standard commercial water pumps and water aerators must run continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without ever stopping. Because these old water pumps consume a high and huge amount of electricity, they heavily drain our monthly cash flow. This creates a very heavy financial burden, meaning that a large portion of the daily entrance fees collected from customers is spent immediately on paying the electricity bills rather than being kept as pure profit for the business owners. The third and the final problem that we have carefully identified is the issue of seasonal drops in customer visits, which happens primarily during the annual monsoon season in the East Coast. When the heavy rains and strong winds arrive, local anglers prefer to stay safely at home, and the number of visitors coming to our pond drops to almost zero, because the current business model only relies on people coming to fish. We have absolutely no backup income or alternative revenue streams during these rainy months. This lack of diversification means the business struggles to survive during the wet season, making our annual income highly unstable and unpredictable. Okay, now that we have clearly explained the series problems, let us talk about the exciting part, our comprehensive, well-planned solution, which we call Project Aqua Growth. This project is not just a small temporary fix, it is a complete operational upgrade designed to eliminate our high costs and create multiple streams of income. The first pillar of our solution is the construction of an on-site hatchery system. We plan to build our very own specialized fish breeding and nursery tanks directly on our land. By doing this, we will grow our own fish from fingerlings until they are fully mature, allowing us to completely stop relying on expensive outside suppliers and instantly saving the business tens of thousands of ringgit every year. The second pillar of Project Aqua Growth focuses on technological modernization through green energy integration. Instead of continuing to use old, expensive electricity from the national grid, we will install high-efficient solar-powered inverter water pumps to cut electricity bills by 50%. This does not just save a massive amount of money, it also protects our fish from sudden power outages and positions our business as a modern, environmentally friendly enterprise that stands out from all traditional competitors. The third and final pillars of our strategy is revenue diversification, which completely solves our monsoon season problem. We are going to build a beautiful modern food and beverage kiosk directly next to the pond, and we will sell hot food, local snacks and refreshing drinks to both anglers and visiting families. This means that even during slow days or rainy afternoons when people do not feel like fishing, money will still flow into our business through food sales and tournament registrations, making our cash flow safe and steady all year round. Let us now analyze the market opportunity to see why this business upgrade is guaranteed to succeed. As we can see today, agrotourism is booming across the state of Terengganu. Local families, city workers and passionate anglers are constantly searching for clean, comfortable and well-managed recreational spots where they can spend high quality time on weekends. However, there is a very large market gap in our region. Most of the existing local fishing ponds are operated using very old, traditional and dirty methods. They have poor facilities, high running costs and low quality fish. By upgrading our pond with solar technology and building our own clean hatchery, we can offer superior facilities, cleaner water and healthier fish at the exact same price as everyone else, allowing us to easily beat our competitors and capture the market. To capture this market effectively, we have designed a highly efficient 3-tier business model. Our first layer is our core revenue, which comes directly from our standard 40 ringgit entrance ticket and our highly popular, secretly formulated 20 ringgit specialty bait mixture. The bait is a high margin product because anglers love using baits that guarantees they will catch a fish. Our second layer is the value added revenue. By the time we reach second year, our on-site hatchery will be so successful that it will begin producing an excess supply of fish. Instead of letting them go to waste, we will sell this extra fish directly to local wet markets, grocery stores and restaurants for a handsome extra profit. Finally, our third layer is ancillary revenue, which includes steady daily profits from our new F&B kiosk and the rental fees of high quality fishing rods and equipment, maximizing the total amount of money spent by every single visitor who enters our gate. A very common question that investors or professors will ask is this a risky business? We are very proud to say that our project carries a very low level of risk because we already have a proven track record. This fishing pond is not a brand new, unproven concept. It has successfully operated as a popular local business for the past 8 years without ever failing. Over nearly a decade, we have built a highly loyal and dedicated customer base of returning anglers who visit us every single week. Furthermore, our infrastructure is already fully prepared. The 2.5 acre land where the pond sits is completely owned by the family. Having zero rental costs means we do not have to worry about landlords or expensive monthly rent, allowing us to spend all our energy and money on executing this upgrade immediately. This brings us to our incredible management team, which combines real-world experience with professional business strategy. Our operations team consists of the original family founders who bring 8 long years of deep, hands-on experience in managing freshwater fish health, monitoring water quality, and building excellent relationship skills with our customers. To support them, our strategy consultants from the UNIZA Islamic Wealth Management Group have stepped in to manage the business side. This professional partnership ensures that our financial calculations, monthly cash flow management, and future business scaling are planned perfectly and kept entirely risk-free, giving us the perfect balance of practical skills and academic knowledge. When we look at our competitors, QZA Freshwater Fish Farm possesses 3 unfair advantages that cannot be easily copied by anyone else. First is our cost leadership. Because we produce our own fish in our hatchery and power our pumps using free solar energy, our daily operational costs will be significantly lower than any other pond in the state. Second, we are proudly eco-friendly. We are paving the way as the very first fully sustainable green technology fishing and recreational hub in the entire region, which will attract eco-conscious tourists and young families. Third, our business model is completely all-weather proof. Thanks to our mini tournaments, continuous fresh fish sales to wet markets, and the hot food from our F&B kiosk, our business will remain highly profitable and stable even during the worst monsoon months. Let us now look at the financial numbers, which clearly prove that Project Aqua Growth is an outstanding investment. In first year, which is our initial setup phase, we expect a modest net cash excess of 22,606 ringgit, because we are spending time and money to build our infrastructure. However, look at what happened next in second year. Our profit exploded to 290,400 ringgit, and by third year, our net cash access reaches an incredible amount of 22,600 ringgit. This massive explosion in profit happens because our initial infrastructure investment is fully completed, and our two biggest operational expense, which is the high cost of buying fish and the expensive electric bills, have been completely and permanently cut from our budget. Okay, to turn this brilliant, well-researched strategic plan into a reality, we are seeking a total capital allocation of 60,000 ringgit Malaysia to launch Project Aqua Growth in first month. We have carefully divided this capital into three clear, transparent categories to ensure every single ringgit is used wisely. We will spend 25 ringgit on construction of the on-site hatchery. We will allocate 22,000 for solar panels and inverter pumps, and lastly 15,000 ringgit on construction of the F&B kiosk. Because our cost saving measures take effect immediately, we confidently expect a full payback of the initial investment within just 14 months, which is 1 year and 2 months. As we come to the end of our presentation, let us share our ultimate dream. Our long-term vision is to become the leading 100% self-sustaining eco-agro-tourism freshwater fish hub in the East Coast by 2029. We believe that our family's deep operational experience, combined with the professional financial strategies we learned here at UNIZA, this business will become a bright, shining example of modern Malaysian entrepreneurship. Thank you very much, Professor Dr. Fakhrul Anwar and all my friends.